In front of me is XIAOMI 13, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access battery section. Now click on performance over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. But you can always switch it off by clicking on balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!